Imagine waking up, grabbing your coffee, and starting work from the comfort of your home or even from a beachside cafe. No boss breathing down your neck, no morning commute, and unlimited earning potential. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this is the reality for thousands of virtual assistants who are making a full-time income, and in some cases, 6 figures a year, all by helping businesses remotely. In this video, you'll learn exactly how you can become a virtual assistant, how much you can earn, and the steps to land your first high-paying client. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to start your own VA business and make money on your own terms. The traditional job market is changing fast. More companies are outsourcing tasks, and remote work is at an all-time high. But here's the problem. Most people looking for online jobs get stuck. They don't know where to start, which skills to offer, or how to find clients. Maybe you've scrolled through freelance websites feeling overwhelmed, thinking, "How do I even get someone to pay me for my skills?" You're not alone. Many talented people struggle with this until they discover virtual assistants. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can turn this into a profitable career. 1. The rise of virtual assistants, why this is a booming industry. The gig economy is exploding. More businesses than ever are turning to virtual assistants to handle administrative work, customer service, social media, bookkeeping, and more. The VA industry is projected to grow significantly as businesses realize they can save money by hiring remote help instead of full-time employees. This means massive opportunity for people like you who want to work from home and build a sustainable online business. But here's the catch: not all VAs succeed. The ones who make serious money follow a clear strategy, which I'll reveal in this video. 2. What exactly does a virtual assistant do? Virtual assistants provide a wide range of services depending on their skills and expertise. Some specialize in administrative tasks, email management, scheduling, data entry. Others focus on creative services like graphic design, social media management, or video editing. Some handle customer support, while others offer tech-related assistance like website management or automation setup. The beauty of this job? You can choose services that align with your interests and strengths. For example, if you love organizing and planning, executive assistants might be a great fit. If you enjoy social media, managing Instagram and TikTok accounts for businesses could be your niche. The key is to leverage your existing skills while continuously learning new ones to stay in demand. 3. How much can you really make as a virtual assistant? Let's talk money. Beginner virtual assistants typically charge between $15 to $30 per hour, depending on the service they provide. More experienced VAs who specialize in high-value services such as project management, copywriting, or automation can charge anywhere from $50 to $100 per hour. Some VAs package their services into monthly retainers, earning $3,000 to $6,000 per month consistently. The best part? You're not limited by a salary. The more clients you take on or the more you specialize, the higher you can charge. 4. Skills you need to become a high-earning virtual assistant. Not all skills are created equal. The most in-demand skills for VAs in 2025 include tech proficiency, knowing how to use software like Notion, Asana, Slack, and CRM tools. Social media management, scheduling posts, engagement strategies, and growth tactics. Customer service, handling emails, live chats, and phone calls professionally. Content creation, writing blog posts, email newsletters, and captions. Bookkeeping, managing financial records for small businesses. The more specialized your skills, the more valuable you become. Investing in learning 1 or 2 high-income skills can make a huge difference in your earning potential. 5. How to find clients and get your first virtual assistant job. This is where most people struggle. The best platforms to find VA jobs include Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and Facebook groups. But the real secret? Networking. Reach out to small business owners, offer your services, and prove your value. You can even work for free for your first client just to get a testimonial. Once you get that first gig, word-of-mouth referrals start rolling in, and before you know it, you have a full roster of paying clients. 6. Freelance versus agency work. Which path is right for you? You have two options as a VA: work as a freelancer or join a VA agency. Freelancing gives you more control and higher earning potential but requires marketing yourself. Agencies provide stability by giving you clients but take a cut of your earnings. Both paths have pros and cons, and it ultimately depends on your risk tolerance and goals. 7. How to stand out and charge premium rates as a VA. To attract high-paying clients, you need to position yourself as an expert. Here's how. Niche down, specialize in a high-value skill, e.g., automation, executive assistance, bookkeeping. Brand yourself, have a professional website, a LinkedIn profile, and a strong portfolio. Overdeliver. Go beyond expectations so clients keep coming back and referring you. 8. Tools and software every virtual assistant should know. Some must-have tools for VAs include Trello/Asana task management, Canva graphic design, Zoom virtual meetings, Google Workspace Docs, Sheets, email management, QuickBooks bookkeeping. Using these tools efficiently makes you more productive and valuable to clients. 9. Common mistakes new virtual assistants make and how to avoid them. Many new VAs underprice their services, lack clear contracts, or fail to market themselves. Others take on too many clients at once, leading to burnout. The key to long-term success is setting clear boundaries, continuously upskilling, and treating your VA career like a real business, not just a side hustle. 10. Scaling your virtual assistant business, from freelancer to CEO. Once you start making consistent income, you can scale by hiring subcontractors to take on tasks, creating digital products or courses, offering consulting services. This allows you to transition from freelancer to business owner, multiplying your income without trading time for money. The best part about being a virtual assistant: you control your time, your income, and your future. Each day you wait is a day you could be making money online. If others are doing it, so can you. The only difference between them and you? They started. So take action today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which VA service interests you the most. Also, check the description for exclusive resources. And since you stayed until the end, YouTube has chosen the perfect next video for you. It's on screen now. Click and keep learning.